Hi, this is MJ Bob, and today I have hosted a Sangeet for Ashwin and Vaijayanti at Aramba.
ఎవరేమనుకున్నా నా మనసందే నువ్వే నేనని
ಸಂತೋಷಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಡು ಸಂತೋಷಕ್ಕೆ
MJ Bob, thank you very, very much. MJ Bob hosted our Sangeet show, and I think he did a fantastic job. He kept people engaged, and Ashwin and I really, really enjoyed it. And thank you so much again.
And trust me, she is an amazing dancer. Keep dancing and keep smiling and stay blessed.
We had a great time with MJ Bob. Like the way he took like impromptu steps and did everything amazingly. I think it was crazy that he pulled off everything last minute, given a lot of changes. So kudos to you and all the best to you, sir. You do a great job at
Thank you very
whatever
much.
you do.
Thanks a
Thanks a
lot.
lot.
Thank you. Thank
Thank
you,
you,
Ashwin. Thank you. Thanks a lot. And Ashwin, happy married life. Stay blessed. God bless you and keep reaching more heights in life.
MJ Bob, hi, this is Mayuri Nataraja. I'm here today at a wedding and he was emceeing and he did a really, really great job. Very engaging, very enthusiastic, and he really held the crowd together and it was a great moment. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Mayuri, thanks a lot and wish you good luck for your upcoming movies.
You too, you too. Best wishes.
ಎಮ್ ಜೆ ಬಾಬ್ ಅವರು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಥರ ಈವೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂಥರ ಸೀಸನ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದವರು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಳೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಥರ ತುಂಬ ಎಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈವನ್ ದ ವೇ ಹಿ ಹೋಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ರಿಯಲಿ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅಪ್ರಿಷಿಯೇಟೆಡ್. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿ ಇಸ್ ಅ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಕರ್, ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಇವನ್ ಕಂಫರ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ನೀವು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಯೂಶ್ವಲಿ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಭಯ ಪಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆ ಥರ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ಕಂಫರ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಇತ್ತು.
Thank you, thank you.